In today's video, we're going to be fishing 10 miles offshore off the coast of South Padre Island down here in South Texas. We'll catch cobia, shark, and red snapper. We'll get into a storm. I don't want to tell you nothing else. Y'all just watch it for yourself. I think y'all going to like this one. We're gonna get him. Hunter got one on.
He's up there.
It's a cobia.
Is it cobia? He's not going to be legal, is he?
Yeah, that's a small one. Is he coming towards the back? Yep. You gotta get some pictures of that. Come on this way. Good job, boy. Huh? You mean to hold that again?
Y'all forgive me, stumbling all over the place like an old drunk.
Good job, bro.
Looks like a catfish.
Yeah, it's coming with the shark. Badass, bro. That's one of the small ones that I saw.
First cobia, what do you think, dude?
Oh, no, not even good.
I'm trying to hold a pole and film. Well, we finally made it to the rig. There's 3 more over there. Let's just hope the fish cooperate with us. That's a sharp nose. He's 24, he's legal. Come on, man.
Hey, dude, calm down. Hey, man.
Good job, boy. Howdy.
That's a sharp nose. He's over 24.
Good job, boy. Howdy.
Good job, brother. Yeah, buddy. First catch at the rig. A legal sharp nose shark. Oh, that's a snapper.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one too. Is he legal? It's gonna be close.
It's gonna be close. Where's that tape measure at? It should be mid-tank. Whippersnapper. No.
Oh, wow, that's a big fish.
Yeah, 16. That's a big shark. Here, open up your artist chest.
There's 2 of them.
I'm telling you, dude, we're surrounded by big fish. Big old trigger fish.
Hey, you want to watch?
Oh, that's a nice snapper. Get him, Jake, quickly. Or not.
Ah,
That happened so fast.
It's not even funny. No one's laughing.
You know what? I hear him laughing.
Good job, boy, howdy. Open up that ice chest, Jake.
Holy sh!
Oh,
Somebody
yeah,
come get
baby.
this.
That's a shark. That's for sure a shark.
And I ain't even got my shark rod out yet.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, baby.
He's broke my line.
No, that was a giant shark.
Yeah.
Ice chest, baby. Ice chest. Come on.
These fish are biting so fast. Only one person at a time can put a line in.
Get him, bro. Good job. Good job.
Ken always catches the first usually, and the biggest and the most. Man, he is not playing with you, is he?
Oh, this fish is kicking my butt. I wish I had brought my app.
When he surfaced, I thought that's the reddest shark I've ever seen.
Yeah.
With a net.
Get him in, son. I want to see. I want to film this cobia.
He's not even legal.
No, I don't think he's big enough, boys. Hey, y'all want to hold him out away from me a little bit while I'm trying to film it? Film him catching his fish.
I guess I can see green. You just come on, bro. You got shit me, dude. Nope, I got him. We're good. We're good. Oh, man.
Woo! He was whooping your butt, big boy. What you got there, Thomas?
I don't know. The mystery item.
I don't see no color yet. I don't think he's legal, Hoss.
Nope.
That's all right, you got one.
Oh, look at the shark after him.
Film it in the water.
Look at the shark after him. Look at this big shark after him. Look at that big giant shark after him, dude.
I did.
You saw it, right?
Yeah, I saw it. He's swimming this way.
Golly, look at it. Oh, it's an
my God.
amberjack. It's
It's
like a 50-pound amberjack. Oh my God. If he really came for a partner.
Yeah, he didn't even see that coming.
Oh yeah.
And I got a 4-ounce weight on there.
It's fighting.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey. Game for it, baby. Take the snake.
It's bigger than it looks because of his pole. I mean, it looks bigger than it is because of that pole, I guess. Don't mean it ain't a good fish.
oh, it's a red. It's a red.
Red snapper?
Yep.
Oh, snap.
That's a good one, dude.
That 4-ounce weight is killing me on there.
Oh yeah.
Let me get my phone. I think fishing. Ken's on now, Connor. Film
What
him.
is that coming out of him? Yeah, what is that?
It's good.
We got fish today.
Another red.
Yeah, red fish.
Big.
I think this is the biggest one I ever caught.
Oh no, this ain't a red snapper. Never
I think
mind.
I needed a small
It's a big
one,
fish.
that's what it was.
It's not. It's either a cobia or a shark. So you're gonna break me out to you. Feels like. Yep.
I wish we had a
Shut all that and put him in there.
I
It
wish
broke
we
him
had a
off.
2-ounce weight.
Huh?
It broke them off. It was a shark or a cobia.
Will I at least keep my weight or not even?
Do we not have a 2-ounce weight?
Look at my weight at least. That was either a big old shark or a big old fucking amberjack. Oh wow, it did. Wow.
Has it been the hooker? Come on.
15?
Got him. I guess it was.
Which one?
The black one.
This black one?
You moving that out of the way
I
now.
don't see him now.
You ain't gonna see him for a minute.
Oh, he's way under there.
Is it big bastard?
Can't see him yet.
That's pretty dang good fish. What is that again?
Hey, wait.
Hold on, that's something, Ken. I don't know if I want a shark
Oh,
or
right
not.
there. He's right there. I think it's a...
Whippersnapper?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a red.
It's red. It's a good
Good
one.
red. Good red.
What's your rod, Jake?
He's walking.
It's not legal.
Yeah, he's gonna be pushing it when you think, Ken.
Pretty close.
You think that one's legal?
What about his?
Give me that right there.
We're doing really good right now. What is it? Happened?
Take a picture.
He's 15 on the dot.
It's going.
Yeah, he swallowed this puppy.
Oh,
Shit
he's
out.
legal.
No, I don't think so. Well, that sounds like a personal problem there, Pop.
It's definitely a personal problem. I guarantee dadgum to you.
Come on, you got him? Oh, that's a big fish. Alright, let's get you now.
My fish is definitely big.
I'm already getting bites and I'm not even at the bottom.
You rolling? Get him. Get him, huh?
Get it. It's a baby.
It's a little rodent. Little rodent, bambino. It's not very big, but... Why am I getting all green?
Uh-oh. That old rig disappearing right before our eyes. What does that tell you?
I'm not like that.
Oh, Lord.
Might have made a mistake.
You see two oil rigs. There's one in the middle somewhere. We can't see it. Hardly. Got one, Thomas?
I feel like that's small.
Finna get our butt wet.
Think it's coming at us or going that way?
Coming at us.
Huh?
Coming at us.
Coming at us, right?
Yep.
I got one.
Dang, Hunter's hooked up now. That's 3 in a row.
So not,
Get him, Hunter.
that's a bit.
He ain't no keeper, unfortunately. Now Jake hooked up. Good God Almighty.
Forgot it came off.
Good job, man.
Good thing I don't mind filming.
We're fixing to get soaked.
I hope it don't get no worse than this. We're going to have to pull it up and go. Another undersized. He'll do though. Y'all, that is bad. 2 oil rigs just vanished in thin air. I can barely see the outline of one of them. Woo, look at that storm coming in, man. 10 miles offshore, we don't get caught in that mess. We have a limit of 2 red snapper each, legal size. We caught way more than a limit, but we only got 6 keepers. 1 legal shark, 1 legal cobia. So that wasn't bad for an hour and a half, 2 hours fishing, man. No complaints here, it goes that way sometimes. Better be safe than sorry, so we're heading in. If it don't get no worse, we might just go fishing in the bay and see what happens. Hope y'all can hear this. I don't know how good y'all gonna get this audio here, but the whole entire north end of South Padre Island has disappeared. We haven't even made it into the bay, much less the marina. We are going to be in for a soaker, I'm telling you, getting bad. There's about a half a dozen dolphins right there. We finally made it back to the channel. Look at all the dolphins, there's 6 of them. Woo, ain't they pretty? We get a lot of dolphin in the bay and in the channel. Y'all want to come down South Padre Island and go fishing with us? You know what to do. Alright, check it out, y'all. We did pretty good. 1 good cobia, 1 legal shark, a few little mangroves, and 7 red snapper. We could have got a limit of 10, but the storms run us off. You saw all that. So Kent is putting a fillet job down on them. Well, these gnats are horrible, ain't they?
Very tough today.
That's how you do that, man.
first cobia I think I've ever seen without a gaff mark. I always have a gaff in the boat. There's gonna be a lot of meat on that fish.
Got a whole big throat.
Put that in a stew, make a big old like caldo. God, this fish has some beautiful freaking meat on it.
Cobia ceviche.
And the cool thing about cobias, cutting right down the bloodline and the bone, blood and bone line. You just make sure we get just a bunch of just straight up meat up in here. No bone and no blood.
Hold on, Jake. All right. Got a pelican fight going on here. Bunch of greedy varmints. Brown pelican, laughing gulls. And there's a great blue heron right over there. We had a good day. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.